Charles' law. Before it, I have already discussed Boyle's law. In Boyle's law, we have taken constant temperature. Mass is fixed. In Charles' law, we will take constant pressure, mass fixed. According to Charles' law, the volume of a certain or fixed mass of gas increases or decreases by a constant fraction of 1 by 273 of its original volume at 0 degree C. For each degree means 1 degree rise or fall in temperature. That means if temperature is rises by 1 degree Celsius, its volume increases by 1 by 273 of its original volume at 0 degree C, and if decreases, the volume also decreases. In the same pattern, suppose the volume at 0 degree C and 1 degree C. If the volume is at 0 degree C is V, then at 1 degree C, suppose take a numerical value, suppose it is 100, 273 mm cube liter, then its volume will be 273 plus 273 by 273, 1 by 273 of 273. Now it is clear. ओरिजिनल वैल्यू का 1 by 273 हिस्सा बढ़ जाएगा. अगर घटाते हैं -1 डिग्री सी, देन ये घट जाएगा. तो जितना होगा आप कैलकुलेट कर लेंगे. 270 बढ़ने के केस में ये 1 आएगा, 274 होगा, और घटने के केस में ये 272 होगा. नाउ वी विल generalize it in the form of a formula. Take means once again it is very difficult, and you have to face a lot of difficulties to understand this law. Let the volume of a fixed mass, let the fixed pressure is constant pressure is P, then of mass is M, and at 0 degree C its volume is V0, at 1 degree C volume is V1, at 2 degree C volume is V2, at 3 degree C volume is V3. V1, V0, V1, V2, V3 indicates the V0 means volume of the gas at 0 degree C, V1 means volume of the gas at 1 degree C, V2 means volume of the gas at 2 degree C, V3 means volume of the gas at 3 degree C. And in the same way, at T degree C, volume is Vt. Suppose it is Vt. Now, according to Charles' law, V1 is equal to V0 original volume plus increase in volume. On increasing, if the increases, then original volume rise. Decrease means fall. V0 plus 1 by 273 of V0, that is V0 1 plus common, take common, V0 1 plus 1 by 273, V2 is equal to same thing, V0 2 by 73 of V0, that is B0 1 plus 2 by 273, and the same way B3 is equal to B0 plus 3 by 273 of B0, that is equal to B0 1 plus 3 by 273. और Vt equal to V0 plus T by 273 into V0, that is equal to V0 T 1 plus T by 273 equal to B0 273 plus T by 273. Dt is equal to, if temperature is, if the temperature falls to minus 273 degree C, then Vt is equal to V0 273 minus 273 by 273, that is equal to V0 into 0, that is 0. Vt is equal to 0. We see that at minus 273 degrees Celsius, the volume of the gas at constant pressure becomes 0, mathematically, algebraically becomes 0. Actually, before reaching minus 273 degrees Celsius, the volume of the gas becomes 0. It means that kinetic motion of molecules becomes 0, means the gases either changes into liquid or solid form before reaching the temperature, this temperature. If we further decrease the temperature, means minus 274 degree, minus 275 degree, in such situation the volume will becomes negative, which is absurd. The volume of anything cannot be negative. Therefore, this minus 273 degrees Celsius is taken as the lowest temperature in the universe, and it is called absolute zero. Thus, absolute zero equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius, and that is why when we change Celsius into Kelvin, we add 273, means Kelvin temperature is equal to T Celsius temperature plus 273. This is the reason we cannot imagine the temperature below minus 273 degrees Celsius, because if the temperature will fall below minus 273 degrees Celsius, the volume of the gas will become negative, which is impossible. Therefore, this temperature is taken as absolute zero, and by taking absolute zero minus 273, we have construct the thermometer, absolute thermometer or Kelvin temperature. Once again in हिंदी, अगर किसी गैस का वॉल्यूम 0 डिग्री सी पर V0 है, 1 डिग्री सी पर V1 है, 2 डिग्री सी पर V2 है, 3 डिग्री सी पर V3 है, एंड सो ऑन, इसी तरह से 3 डिग्री सी पर Vt है, तो चार्ल्स लॉ से हम जानते हैं कि V1 इज इक्वल टू, मतलब कितना होगा, V0 प्लस 1/273 इंटू V0. ओरिजिनल वॉल्यूम का 1/273 पार्ट बढ़ जाएगा। इस तरह से V2 V3 V4 आप निकालते चलिए, कॉमन ले लेकर ऐसे आएगा आपको Vt के लिए आपका आ जाएगा V0 1 + T/273। इस तरह से Vt को आपने निकाल लीजिए जी। अब अगर ये तो इंक्रीजिंग के लिए है, अगर टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज हो रहा है और डिक्रीज होते होते -273 डिग्री सेल्सियस पर चला गया, तो वैसे कंडीशन में Vt = V0 273 और प्लस टी की जगह पर -273 रखे, इतना इसका वैल्यू इसमें से माइनस करेंगे 0/273 का वैल्यू 0 आएगा, V0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 0 आएगा। इस तरह से मैंने देखा क्या, हमने क्या देखा कि -273 सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर पहुंचते पहुंचते गैस का आयतन वॉल्यूम क्या हो जाता है, 0 हो जाता है। अलजेब्रा कितना मैथमेटिकली तो इस टेम्परेचर से नीचे टेम्परेचर की कल्पना नहीं की जाती है। यूनिवर्स में सबसे छोटा, सबसे नीचे का, सबसे कम टेम्परेचर माना जाता है जिसको एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर कहते हैं। वो क्या है, -273 डिग्री सेल्सियस, जिसको आप 0 एब्सोल्यूट या 0 केल्विन के नाम से जानते हैं। इसी को 0 मानकर, -273 को 0 मानकर जिस थर्मोमीटर को बनाया गया है इसको एब्सोल्यूट थर्मोमीटर कहते हैं। और एब्सोल्यूट टेम्परेचर के लिए हम लोग सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर में 273 जोड़कर प्लस करके निकाल लेते हैं, या एब्सोल्यूट में से हम लोग 273 माइनस करके सेल्सियस निकालते हैं, यही तरीका है। और in the next video we are going to express the Charles law in the form of absolute temperature. This is the easy and we will study in next video. The Charles law in the form of, other form of the Charles law in the form of absolute temperature.